Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing my Louis Vuitton derby shoes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so like I mentioned, today I am going to be reviewing my Louis Vuitton platform derbies. I am not sure like how many people even watch these videos, but that's okay because nowadays I feel like everyone just likes like collection hauls and luxury designer hauls. But then like for me, in my opinion, you see those and you're like, okay, but how does that fit? Or like, how has that been over time and things like that. And I think that's where these kind of videos kind of come in useful and handy. And I've actually been asked these questions before, so that's another reason why I wanted to create those videos. There are people out there that aren't out here spending $10,000 on a luxury haul, and they actually work hard for their money. And not that people who like splurge and spend $10,000 or more at a time don't work hard for their money, but there are people out there who aren't able to do that, who work hard for their money and want to make sure that the money that they're spending is on something that's worth it and is on something that's gonna be comfortable or like will last the test of time. So yeah, that is why I am creating this video. And of course to answer questions like I mentioned. So let me first share that the price of these shoes before tax was $1,230. Again, these are the LV BEAUBOURG, the Beaubourg platform derbies, and it is in the color cacao. So I got these, actually, what size did I get these in? I got these, so I ended up purchasing these twice. These are in a size 38 originally, and this is where sizing, we're going to talk a little bit about sizing. So originally I purchased these in a size 38 and a half, which is what I usually am. If I purchase a size 39 and like heels and stuff, it's because it does not come in a half size. That is why I will go whole. Like the whole size would be 39. My actual size is an 8 and a half. So 38 and a half is what I originally purchased in these shoes. When they came, I put them on. They were just like flopping off my feet, like slipping on and slipping off. I cannot walk like that. I feel like I'm already a fall risk. I don't need anything else to add to me being a fall risk. So I ended up ordering these in a size 38 instead. They were a little tight, but what I did was I would stuff them, and they're still actually kind of stuffed just to kind of help, like to continue expanding on the width of the shoes. But then I just wore them, and because they're leather, they kind of stretched over time. So now that when I wear them, they don't slip in the back, and they're actually pretty comfortable. They're a bit heavy because they're platforms, but they're not outrageously heavy. There are outrageously heavy shoes out there, and these are not one of them. Like you can wear this throughout the day, in my opinion, with no issues. I love this little logo piece in the back. I just wanted to throw that in there because every time I look at the viewfinder right here, I keep on seeing that like pop of gold, and I wanted to mention that. But yeah, as far as sizing goes, I would say size, like go down a half size, but know that it may be a little bit tight, and you will have to like either bring them somewhere to be stretched a little bit, because that's always an option, or just stuff them and wear them with like thicker socks for a little while so that they can expand and stretch out a little bit. If you go with your regular size, I would say maybe find a cushion or something to add in the back, because your feet, like if you go with your regular size, your feet are going to slip out of the shoes. That is what I've noticed. Your feet just slip out. So definitely go a half size down, or just get the cushion for them. Like I mentioned, as far as comfort, You can walk around with them, no issues. I have not had issues with them. I actually love that I feel like I'm wearing heels, but they're comfortable heels. I love that about these. Let me just drop this right in the video. I love these shoes. I love them. Let's talk a little bit about wear and tear. I feel like as far as wear and tear goes, I have not had many issues, and I'm looking at them just to make sure, because like I mentioned, they were like a little bit snug, so I would have to like not squeeze my foot in, but like press down on the back a little bit just to kind of get my feet in there. But there's like the back right here still looks good, and I've worn these guys. Like I feel like I gravitate and I grab these fairly quickly because it's just so easy. I have other Louis Vuitton like monogram bags, so it's just so easy for me to grab it because the monogram and the neutral color of these shoes makes it easy to pair with anything that has color or like a basic outfit. So I do feel like I gravitate to these, and I grab these pretty regularly. Not all, and like you wouldn't even be able to tell. You would think that I am telling a whole lie, but I have been wearing these. Like if you see the dots on them, like if you can see there are little dots on there that probably from rocks and stuff. I have been wearing these shoes, guys. I'm not joking. This is not a joke. This is not a test. I have been wearing them. And wear and tear, like I said, they look good. Even like the canvas looks good, and I would bend my foot a little bit. These are sturdy, so you're not gonna get much, and I would bend my foot in there. You're not gonna get bending. Like they're rock solid, hard like shoes. There's no bending, no flexibility to these shoes, and I actually like that about the shoes. It's like a solid shoe. So if you're gonna spend $1,230 minus tax, I feel like you're gonna get a decent shoe. I feel like I've spent that kind of money on shoes, and it's not that they're awful, but these are sturdy, if that makes sense. Like none of my shoes have been bad or have not been good that I can recall. Let me put that in there in case you guys go back and scroll through and you're like, no, but you said these were, that I can recall right now at this moment. I don't feel like any of my shoes have been like awful, but these are solid. So if you're thinking about getting these, 1, go a half size down. 2, know that they're comfortable so you could go walking, shopping with these shoes. 3, know that wear and tear wise, you're good. You're good, because I've been wearing them and you're good. I'm not saying go like smash your foot into like a sidewalk or something and expect them not to get scratched or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. But if you're just, normally walking, doing your thing, walking for hours, wearing them every day if you want to get your cost per wear, you're good. Like, you're good. The leather is gonna probably crease a little, because there's like a little bit of creasing right here, as you can see, but what do you like? You're wearing the shoes. There's like a cushion here, which maybe helps a little, I'm not sure, but you're good. If you're thinking about getting them wear and tear wise, you're good. And I just wanted to show you guys that these are in a size 38. But yeah, I just wanted to share that in case you're thinking about getting them. For the people who have been asking me questions, half size down, and they are comfortable and you can go for walks with them. I like these shoes. I do. They're easy to grab, like I said. I feel like I'm kind of saying the same thing over and over again, and it's pretty much to reiterate that they're good shoes. If you're into this style, if you're looking for platforms, I've said before, I'm sorry, I feel like I have to sneeze, but If you're looking for platforms in 2022, because I feel like they're going to be, I don't know why. It's not like people weren't wearing platforms or haven't been wearing platforms the last few years, but last year, like 2021, they kind of were like creeping up on you. You'll see them here and there between the Prada loafers, the Versace platform heels. But I feel like in 2022, and I could be wrong, but it's just a feeling, I feel like we're gonna be seeing the platforms for sure. So if you're thinking about getting some platform shoes like these, if this is your style, if you're into this kind of look, then I would say go ahead and get them. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go check me out on Instagram at carla.simon19. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. See you in the next video.